Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chiri here. Hope you all are doing okay. Today's video is how to make a wig, a sew-in curly lace closure, and styling ibeauty hair. Yes, so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when there's an upload from me, you'll be the first to get it. And to my friends that are here and you've always supported me, thank you very much. I'm grateful. So about the weave-on that I'll be using today, like I said, is from ibeauty hair, and this hair actually came in 3 bundles like this. Yes, and it's really full. Yes, and it also came with its own closure. Okay, it's actually a 3-part closure. Yes, and it looks so natural. I really love this, and the texture is really you know, soft. Yeah, and I think I have done a video on a tutorial on coily wig before. Yeah, but it's just that that one I did is from another brand. This one has been used once, okay, and it was now sent in for wigging. All right, and again, make sure to watch till the end so you get to see how I style it, and you know, I'm gonna be styling it in different ways, and I'll be modeling it. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. I'll see you. Bye.
Make sure to place the closure on the middle of the net. So I went ahead to secure the closure using pins so that it doesn't keep moving while I sew. So I started by tying severally because that's the beginning, to make it firm. And the thread I'm using is just a single thread into 2, not the one done into 4. And then I continue the free sewing. I do not knot as I continue. I just sew freely. So I continue till I get to the midpoint of the closure, and then I will have to knot it severally again. I do not sew round continuously. I stop at the middle to continue from the other side. It's the same process. So we'll begin again by knotting it severally, and then I continue to sew again till I get to the midpoint on this other side. I am now at the midpoint, so I will just knot it severally and then conclude the sewing there. And that is it for the sew-in closure. So this is what it looks like. See how neat it is. Later on, I'll have to cut underneath the net where the closure is resting on to make the patterns visible. For the back, we'll have to lay the weave on from one end to the other end and secure with pins, which will guide me as I sew, and also will make it not to keep moving. We'll begin the sewing, and I have to knot again severally before I continue. Now the sewing here is no longer the free sewing, but I will have to keep knotting it, that's to tie it as I go. The sewing here is also a close sewing. That's as you sew, the distance should not be too much, so it's a close sewing till I get to the other end again. At this point, I will have to knot it severally so that it will enable me to flip it to continue. We'll secure again with my pins. So this is what you do till you're able to cover up the space, and then you get to the front where the closure is resting on. So it's just the same process. Always knot at the beginning and at the end at each point. So I'm at the middle, as you can see. And this is the last line now, so you just have to sew around the closure. It's a close sewing, so that you have to cover it up. I am through with the sewing. We'll just cut off the extension from the closure. And I said earlier that I will cut around the closure underneath the net. That's where the closure is resting on, because if it's not done, if you don't cut it off, it will cover the beauty, it will make it not to look natural, and the pattern will not be obvious. So this is how it looks like, and then it looks natural. So that is it.
Okay, so this is how the hair turned out. It's beautiful. I love it. It's so full, and I just love how it looks on me. Okay, so, and this is the side view. It's beautiful. Wow. I had to use my hand dryer behind the camera to bring the closure down, so it's gonna really look flat. It's beautiful. So let's go into styling it. So already this is a center pattern that I have here. Yeah. So this is the C pattern. Wow, look at the curve. I love it. Oh wow. Beautiful. Yeah, cut rose at the front. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing a slight elevation just at the middle. Okay, so wow. So this is the side pattern, and I love it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So please comment and tell me which of the styles you love the most, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and do not forget to click on the notification bell so that when there's a new upload from me, you'll be the first to get it, okay? So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all. Bye.